What does Binance Smart Chain, Terra Luna, Crypto.com Smart Chain on MetaMask, TerraUSD, Cosmos, Osmosis, KuCoin, or Juno, all of those have in common Secret Network, Oasis Network, Kava, Anchor, Chihuahua, Injective, Persistent Fetch, Medicaid, Ion Mirror, etc. etc. The one thing in common, they are all built on Cosmos ecosystem. My name is Dave, also known as Finance After 40. Let's take a little break from all those airdrop that we're doing. Let's talk about Cosmos and why I'm super, uber bullish, whatever you want to call it, on Cosmos. If you know me, from like I don't know, like a year ago when I started TikTok, year and a half, it's been a while. I talked about Ethereum at around 230, 240 when retail was not in the crypto space, and I said that Ethereum is worth $5,000 to $10,000 at around less than 250. People laughed, people didn't believe me, and now people don't understand how it's only at 3,000 and 4,000 like 2 months ago. This is exactly the same thing that I see with Cosmos. It's $300, but if you check here, if you go to this website, and of course all the links will be below, and my computer is old because I'm just using this for airdrop. I need to buy a new computer once the next airdrop drops, and also Patreon, because I need to make some effing money. Let's fucking go. Oops, YouTube, forgive me. Anywho, three value. Look at this. Atom Cosmos, $282. It's insane. It's worth 280. You would see all those links. Why is it worth 280 and not $30? Because you compound all the airdrops. If you stay Cosmos, this is like basic Cosmos one-on-one, and I by no means pretend to be the super expert on Cosmos. There are great YouTubers out there. Just to search Cosmos, there's two people that I like. One is Liam. His name is Liam. The other one, he does interviews. I don't remember his name, but I follow both of them. That's how I got into the system. Airdrop lured me in, but I love everything that I see. You stake your Cosmos. This is the basic stuff. You stake your Cosmos Atom. Start with one. Just send one. See what's going on to your Kepler wallet. Link to Kepler wallet tutorial below. Stake one. Just see how it goes, and then get into the ecosystem. Then you will get airdrops. It's insane, and those airdrops you can stake them as well and get airdrops on top of them, because you stake, let's say for example Osmosis, the $8, it's now 200. You got airdrop Osmosis at like I don't know, $4, $3. I wasn't in the system, that's what I heard. And then you staked it, and then other projects started to airdrop to people that stake Osmosis. It blows my mind how crazy it is. Juno also, the airdrop was I don't know, like 6 months ago at $7. It's now 30 plus, and it's worth almost 50. And we're still waiting for the Juno swap airdrop. We did 4 out of 4. We are eligible. All of us are gonna make it. Link below to this. I apologize for my old computer. Check other stuff. All the stuff that are built on Cosmos. Just play around. Yes, one Cosmos is probably not gonna be enough for airdrops, but don't just be here for the airdrop. This has the potential, in my humble opinion, not a financial advice, to be not the next Ethereum, but in the same level as Ethereum, because everything is just insane. For the airdrop hunters out there, let me show you a couple of websites. Everything will be in the link below, and if you like everything, gain value, subscribe, and let's effing go. So you got yourself, first of all, Cosmos airdrop on Reddit. Okay, this is the next one that I want to do, and I see they updated this 17 hours ago. Look at this. Announce Evemos or community call. This is a fresh alpha. I want to do this video later today. It's already here. Osmosis users. Okay, let's open this tweet. But I don't want you to see my Twitter because I have stuff on it. You know what I'm talking about. announced in Evamos or community call just now, osmosis users. That's exactly what I meant. Osmosis users. If you delegate to this delegator friends validator, which I've done last night, or binary holdings, which I've done last night, I've done 50-50, in February eligible for airdrop for the diffusion Phi. Remember diffusion Phi? I posted on Patreon / Discord. Hey, go join their Discord. They're gonna start doing something, so pay attention. Airdrop in the air, stake with your friend. So basically what you need to do for this, and I'll do a full tutorial, you get yourself some osmosis. You stake your osmosis in one or both, preferably both, well, couldn't hurt, maybe we'll get double, before the end of February, which is less than 2 weeks from now, because the Evamos giant wrecked drop should be live February 28th. They're gonna do two snapshots, one before the end of the month and another one probably a month later, something like that. As long as you stake your osmosis in between those two, you're gonna get another Cosmos airdrop. Nobody knows how much it is, but it's freaking insane. So feel free to read all of that. This guy is also good. He's new. He has like 2,000 followers. I watch every single video of him. There's like 2-3 people in the Cosmos ecosystem. I'm not one of them. I just learn from them. Don't think that I'm a Cosmos expert by any means. I love what I see. I learn from small YouTubers, guys. Learn from small YouTubers, because the big YouTubers, they're already super big. They talk about Bitcoin. We don't have $44,000 to buy one Bitcoin, and it doesn't give us any free money, any airdrops. Raw airdrop update, we've done this as well. Snapshot 1 done, snapshot 2 done. Now we're just waiting to claim raw claim date. Details are coming once the external center of contact is completed, so probably in the next few days. This is great. You can have this Excel as well and check. Oh, look at this. Look how many coins are gonna airdrop to Cosmos users. Let me just make sure that I'm recording, because I'm excited. This is good stuff. Raw we've just done. Raccoon, you need to stake like 10 Juno like a week ago. DEC is a new one. Element of Cosmos is a new one. I think we missed Omniflix, Chihuahua we missed a lot, but we didn't really miss a lot because we only got into the system. And according to everything that I see, in 2022 Cosmos needs to add another like 200 projects or something. Just imagine if only half of them are airdropping for Cosmos stakeholders, Osmosis stakeholder, Juno stakeholder, and Secret. This is another alpha. Secret network and Secret swap do the same thing with Juno, and Juno swap do the same thing. We're gonna get an airdrop tutorial coming up as well. This is another website for airdrops. Look at this. Data Vault is new one. Diffusion Finance. That's the one that I just talked about. Announced. This is update on a daily basis, I think. Pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Andro Metaverse. Senatos. I heard about it from the other guy. Craft Economy. This is Minecraft coin or something. Cerberus is a meme coin. Also, I learned about this from other guys in YouTube. Quicksilver. They're gonna do an airdrop in June. Get into the system. This is the I haven't seen a thing like that ever. You buy a coin, you stake it. Let's say you buy Ethereum, you stake it, and in return all the altcoins that are built on Ethereum, same concept, are gonna just drop those coins to you because you hold and you stake Ethereum. It doesn't exist. This is insane. I think, in my humble opinion, this is super early. And guys, I will see you next time. Bye bye.